Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to AutoCAD Academy. My name is Muslim Khan. And this video tutorial we will learn that how we can draw this figure using polar coordinate system in AutoCAD. And our previous two videos we discussed that how we can draw with the absolute and relative coordinate system in AutoCAD. So if you are interested, then you have to watch those videos as well. So now we have to discuss polar coordinate system. If you have to draw any figure using polar coordinate system, first of all you have to turn on the dynamic input. You can see here, if it is not shown here, then you can go through customization. You can see here customization, so it is shown dynamic input as on. Now you have to activate line command. You can do by simply L shortcut key, or you can do this manually as well. Now I activate the line command. Now you can see here it is written that specify first point. So our first point is point A, and its coordinate is 0 comma 0. So this is our coordinate 0 comma 0 of point A. So and for coordination you just need distance and the angle of line. So distance from A to B has 40, and the angle is 0. From Cartesian coordinate system we take a positive axis as the reference, and we take angle with positive axis. So this is along the positive axis, so we take it a 0 angle. So you have to type 40 and this and now you have to uh, type less than symbol, and to get a less than symbol, for that you have to press shift and the button which are just right to the M and your keyboard. So you have to less than symbol. After that you have to type angle. So angle is 0. Press enter. Now it has been drawn. So from B to C, what is the distance? Distance is 30. And what is the angle in Cartesian coordinate system? Angle is 30. So you have to type 30 and this now less than symbol, and after that you have to type angle as 90. So it has been done. Now from C to D, distance is 20, you can see here, and angle is 180. So now you have to type 20 and less than symbol, after that 180, and press enter. Now from D to E, here distance is 15 and angle is 270. So 15 and less than symbol and 270, press enter. Now from E to F, distance is 20 and angle is 180. So 20 less than symbol and 180, and press enter. And now closing figure, we can do this by many methods. We can do this by just writing 0 comma 0, or we can write or type close, or we can do this by polar coordinate system as distance is 15 and less than symbol. After that we have to type its angle is 270, then press enter. So your figure has been drawn. So we have to escape to come out from the line command. Now we have to check this whether it is right or wrong. So click on dimension. So we have to check it. So notice dimension. So it is exactly 40. So this has been drawn correctly. If you have any question about this, for this you must have to remember this dynamic input must be on. And the summary of this video is all about you just need to enter distance between two point, and after that you have to less than symbol, and after that you have to uh, enter its angle. So it was all about polar coordinate system. You can draw any figure. If you have any question about this, or to get related any queries or anything about to get related, so you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.